We have redesigned the plate on face utility. Now, plate properties are loaded from standard attribute files found in the model or the company folder. You can create a plate along the face of a part or along a polyline, and you can set a positive or negative gap. Then, we trim these plates using the split plate utility. It's convenient to use relative snaps. Hold the Control key and click the mouse to select a base point and set the required size relative to it. Remove any unnecessary plates as they are no longer needed. Using the Combine Plate utility, we merge the plates into one contour plate. All operations are done using geometric constructions. Next, we create bolts, or in our case, dowels with a diameter of 12 mm. I really like the new bolt properties in Tekla Structures 2024. After creating the bolts, you can edit them, but to demonstrate the connection method, we'll leave everything as it is. Now, move the plate to the center of the beam. It's time to use the updated cutout utility. In the new version, it's very convenient to cut beams with plates and set the required gap both on the sides and ends of the plate. First, select the steel plate, then all the wooden beams we need, click the mouse wheel, and all cuts in all the wooden beams are made instantly. The result is excellent. This was the work on improving our utilities in the new version. Thank you, and I hope you like it.